The cryptocurrency market has been paying attention to the recent price swings of XRP, hoping for a bullish rally since its price has significantly increased to $0.61 because of these oscillations. This upward trend correlates with speculations that indicate Ripple, the firm that is responsible for XRP, is getting ready to introduce its stablecoin. On the other hand, this positive momentum is taking place against a backdrop of rising uncertainty as a result of the ongoing legal struggle that Ripple is engaged in with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Despite the recent difficulties that XRP has had, investors continue to have a positive attitude toward it. In addition, despite the fact that XRP is engaged in a legal battle with the SEC, the market sentiment is more optimistic than pessimistic, which indicates that investors predominantly have a positive outlook on the cryptocurrency. The chief executive officer of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, recently gave an interview to CNBC in which he expressed his optimism for the future of the cryptocurrency market, despite the difficulties that regulate it. It was clear that he had faith in the industry's ability to bounce back, highlighting macro trends as drivers for institutional investment, such as the emergence of exchange-traded funds. The confidence that Garlinghouse possesses stems from his firm belief in the revolutionary influence that the exchange-traded fund market will have, particularly in terms of its ability to attract institutional capital into the cryptocurrency world. Despite this, widespread adoption continues to be hindered by regulatory concerns, such as the question of whether or not cryptocurrencies should be classified as securities or commodities. In the meantime, Martin Heisbuck, an official at Uphold Bank, maintained a positive attitude regarding the prospect of Ripple launching their token as an exchange-traded fund F in the future. As he mentioned, the current innovations that are taking place inside the XRP ecosystem are indications that the value may be increasing in the future. Nonetheless, the outcome of Ripple's legal battle with the SEC is extremely important and may have an effect on the company's eligibility to be included in exchange-traded funds. This year, the total value of the cryptocurrency market is expected to surpass $5 trillion, according to the chief executive officer of the blockchain startup Ripple. In an interview with CNBC, Brad Garlinghouse, who works at Ripple, stated that he anticipates the whole value of the cryptocurrency market to double. He cited a number of macro variables, such as the introduction of the first exchange-traded funds in the United States that are based on spot Bitcoin and the forthcoming halving of Bitcoin. Guys, before we go further, I want to introduce to you an amazing platform where you can make a lot of money. Here, the Bitmart exchange, upon registering with a first deposit of $100, you will immediately get a bonus of $3,000. Isn't this amazing? Guys, you are going to make lots of money here, so be sure to sign up with registration. Link provided in the description of this video, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Also, before I forget, you will also need a VPN to access the site as it's currently in its early stage. For Android and iOS users, you can all download XVPN from your respective stores. Again, the platform has a lot of features, including copying trading, where you can easily trade without any prior trading knowledge, using expertise trading techniques, harnessing lots of money. You really don't want to miss you on this, guys. Whether you are an individual or an institution, they want to help you buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrency. Their vision is to bring cryptocurrency available to everyone everywhere. We believe the decentralized digital currency will reshape the global economic fundamentally. Such financial freedom would bring further economic innovation, efficiency, and equality to the world. But it won't happen unless we build simple and secure products for individuals and institutions around the world to discover and interact with this new frontier. Their professional team members come from Amazon, Accenture, Tencent, Alibaba, and other top-tier tech firms. They are united together and built a more cost-efficient and user-friendly financial platform to involve every individual worldwide. The team has grown by leap-spanning the global mission to accelerate the world to a highly efficient global financial system. Trust as a fundamental to the financial system and the core of the decentralized token economy. They fully understand all the challenges that the cryptocurrency ecosystem is facing. Hence, they are committed to compliance, reliability, security, and customer care, and deliver a seamless user experience to build trust. As a global exchange platform, we hope the halo of digital assets can benefit every investor. It is their vision to provide an environment with smooth accessibility and a suitable entry barrier for every potential investor, making the digital assets significant. No matter for entry-level traders or professional investors, Bitmart provides several finely tailored services, including listing numerous top-grade digital assets for our clients to invest in and succeed, providing an industrial developer platform for advanced traders, and customizing the best fit assets management solution for institutions of all sizes. With all this being said, let's get back to our XRP news. In an interview with CNBC, garlinghouse stated, "I've been around this industry for a long time and I've seen these trends come about and go away. My outlook is quite positive. In my opinion, the macro trends, which are the big picture items like exchange traded funds, are the ones that are driving true institutional money for the very first time. According to garlinghouse, you are observing that drives demand. And at the same time that demand is increasing, supply is decreasing. It is not necessary to have a degree in economics in order to understand what occurs when there is a decrease in supply and an increase in demand." On January 10th, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission gave its approval to the first spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds. The fact that they are traded on stock exchanges in the United States makes it possible for regular investors and institutions to obtain exposure to Bitcoin without actually holding the underlying asset. An event of a technical nature, the halving of the Bitcoin supply occurs about once every 4 years throughout the history of Bitcoin. Bitcoin miners are volunteers on the Bitcoin network who utilize powerful computers to verify payments and mint new tokens. This measure results in a reduction in the total mining reward to Bitcoin miners by 50%. In the year 2020, the most recent event of this kind took place, and the subsequent one is scheduled to take place later this month. According to garlinghouse, it is easily predicted that the overall market cap of the cryptocurrency industry will double by the end of this year as it's impacted by all of these macro factors. As of the 4th of April, the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies was over $2.06 trillion. If the market were to double, it would mean that the overall market valuation for cryptocurrencies would have increased to $5.2 trillion. During the past year, the value of Bitcoin has increased by more than 140. According to the data provided by CoinGecko, it reached a new all-time high of more than $73,000 on March 13. Nevertheless, it has dropped significantly below the level of $70,000 since then. For the year 2023, Tether reported a net income of roughly $6 trillion, which is equivalent to around $6.2 billion per year. Despite the fact that the stablecoin company has only 100 employees, he pointed out that Tether's profit of $6.2 billion is around 78 of Goldman Sachs' earnings of $7.9 billion for 2023. This is despite the fact that Goldman Sachs has a staff size of 48,500 individuals. Disclaimer, please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions from watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. That's all for now.